Hello and welcome. My name is Chris. I am your teacher on the YouTube channel called Learn British English Free. In this free English lesson, I'm going to help you practice vocabulary for easy maths and numbers. Please remember, British people say maths with S. American people say math, no S. I'm talking about easy maths and numbers. You can read using captions or subtitles. Let's start with the vocabulary for the symbols, and later on we can practice some easy sums together. How exciting! Please look at the screen. This one, add or plus. Normally we say add number, add number. Minus or take away. Number minus number. It looks like X. In maths it's times. Number times number. Equals or is. Number add number equals. Number minus number is. Divided by. Number divided by number equals number. Those are your symbols. Now I'm going to practice some basic sums with the vocabulary as well. Please read the captions or check the notes in the description to read with me. 2 add 16 equals 18. 2 add 16 equals 18. 12 plus 28 is 40. 12 plus 28 is 40. 13 minus 6 equals 7. 13 minus 6 equals 7. 77 take away 33 is 44. 77 take away 33 is 44. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 7 equals 21. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 10 is 80. 36 divided by 12 equals 3. 36 divided by 12 equals 3. As you know, I'm an English teacher, not a maths teacher, so I hope I didn't make any mistakes. Please tell me if I did. You heard each sum twice. You could also hear how it sounds in slow and the second time more naturally in connected speech as spoken by a native speaker. I hope this was okay, a bit unusual using maths, but I think that it's useful. You often need to talk about this stuff, and it's not so normal that you practice it in English. Good luck with it in English and in maths. I hope for the best for you. Please join me on Learn British English Free on Facebook, the British English page, on www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk, on Instagram, anywhere you like. You're always welcome. My name is Chris. Thank you for watching. See you next time.